Metal. A hard, shiny material like iron or gold, used to make things. The sculpture was made of metal. He collects rare metals as a hobby. The bridge is reinforced with steel, a strong metal. They detected traces of heavy metal in the water. Metal tools are essential for the workshop.